Welcome back to the Siem Reap province, the Rome Siem Reap in the afternoon. I am on Ajasva street. This is a tree line, very beautiful street with many trees and especially very big trees. Very big. This is the way they are burning the leaves. Many leaves of the trees falling down like this. The leaner will stop it and then burn it like this. The weather today is not really so hot, but just shining. That's why I'm here to show you the beautiful place in the riverbank Siem Reap. But a little bit different, you can see, because there's there very little water. I want to say that the Siem Reap River is under Renovation and Innovation. That's why you see very little water here. I think that maybe in a few months later you will see Siem Reap in different way, different look, especially more beautiful. I want to walk down so but I want to catch a fish, but actually I don't know how to do it, but I see many people walking down, jump in and try to find a fish like this. Very happy? I think so. Just around 12 kilometers from Siem Reap to the Tonle Sap, the lake, the biggest lake in the Southeast Asia. And here you see people fighting to catch the fish. I think that it's a very stressful of the fish in the strong Siem Reap. I love to see the very big trees. I feel like very awesome, very grateful to have the big trees in the city so everybody can enjoy. These are many people walking around the river banks to take exercise in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening too. This is a very big hotel, but they are closed already. It's very busy. Anyway, everybody is on going on and has everything, I think so. I heard that many bad news about the people. They don't have the jobs here, don't have the salary, don't have income, don't have many people got the problem to feed their family, especially is a tuk-tuk driver, taxi driver, tour guide, hotel, guest house, all things. And this time is a very hard time for the kingdom of Cambodia. It's because the pandemic COVID-19 just happened 1 month ago, and until now there's still having some positive cases everywhere. In Siem Reap, Kandong, Sihanouk, and most is in Phnom Penh, capital city. And Siem Reap also have few as well. That's why everybody very carefully to take care of themselves as well, and me too. Anyway, wish you all the best for everything and wish for Siem Reap and Cambodia in general. Beloved countries I'm talking the kingdom now. Wish everybody have good health and that prosperity after COVID. Okay.